summer's day in Prague.
Yeah.
Look at the hail, guys.
Isn't that incredible?
Look at the hail. And when I left, it was bright, bright, bright.
Yeah.
I'm in a coffee shop for an hour, and
Yeah.
kaboom! The thunder, if there's thunder and lightning in addition to hail. Truly, truly amazing. I don't even want to step outside because it's also
But
really
it's very
wet.
unusual for Prague.
Yeah?
Yeah. Doesn't happen very often.
Wow.
I must say. So